making a short video. People that I've been, YouTubers that I've been subscribed to, I go back to their channels and I'm not subscribed anymore. Why is that? Hojo is one. Jim Spencer is one. PB on the Go is another one. I went back to y'all's channels and my subscribe was red again, so I had to subscribe again. Oh, looky. I had a bird. There was a bird. The first one I seen. Y'all told me they come back. I'm just wondering. Why is it? Is it because I hadn't seen any of your videos yet? I pushed the see all videos. Get all notifications. Well, I don't see the bird there no more. I'm just wondering what is it? Y'all didn't take my subscribe away, did you? Because I hadn't been seeing y'all's videos. There's a bunch that I went back to look. And I'm sorry if I didn't get my subscribe is being removed. I had to subscribe to y'all again. What's the deal? Is YouTube getting like Facebook? That's what I call Facebook. Well, I'm just wondering. I just wanted to make a video to ask what the deal was. Well, at least I got one bird. I guess there's some birds out there if I'd look. I guess I'll look and shut up. Then I'll end my video. There goes the ambulance. I don't know where. Unless it's downtown. Oh, got another bird. Well, I had two birds there. Y'all? My phone will probably go out after this last one. Oh, look at that beautiful Cardinal. Oh, I'm trying to. Oh, that's the first one I've seen. Oh, I hate to stop this video, y'all. I keep on yabbering. That one's that one's still eating. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. Can't tell if there's none on the other one. I'm just watching this one. Wow. Finally. Now he's hanging on to the pole. Now he flew off. Well, I hope you liked this video. I sure did. Thank you for watching.